Barefoot hiking to waterfalls is officially one of my new favourite healing hacks. I haven't gone barefoot in ages, so I did take my shoes as a backup, which I kind of ended up regretting because I could have done with both of my hands. But anyway, I'll take it as a sign to have more trust in myself and in my feet. Walking barefoot on the earth has got to be one of the best ways to connect with nature and feel connected in your own body. It's free and literally anybody can do it. Touching the earth allows you to absorb the earth's natural electrons, helps to reduce inflammation, and helps to regulate an overactive or dysregulated nervous system. It feels so connected, calming, and peaceful. The natural spring water is full of minerals and also helps boost endorphins. And of course, getting loads of sunshine throughout this hike, obviously getting an amazing source of vitamin D, but also helping our body's natural circadian rhythms and just a general mood booster. But honestly, at the end of the day, it just feels good. It's a full mind, body, and soul reset. Somewhere to reconnect with myself and reconnect in nature. This is a part of what healing looks like for me.